Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm back. I know, can you believe it? This feels so strange. Like, honestly, I'm just so grateful to be, better. And my family, everyone is doing really great. But today's video, I'm gonna keep it very light. I'm doing a Sephora haul. This is actually the second Sephora haul from their spring sale, and it has been sitting in my cupboard for about 6 weeks now. So I definitely want to dive into these products and like start using them and everything. And I actually do have plans to film like a first impressions video, so I think that might be my next video. But there are definitely products in here that I want to use, as well as what I shared in my last haul. So I figured, you know what, it's time for this unboxing. It's time to start clearing out my cupboard. So if you guys want to see what I picked up in this Sephora haul, then keep on watching. So here's a little sneak peek of the goodies, and I do have a good blend of makeup and skincare in here. Some of these were inspired by Sephora hauls I looked at online while I was waiting for my other haul. So yeah, that's how this haul came about. And the first thing I want to share is this Kopari sudsy shower oil. I've never used a shower oil in my life, so this is actually really interesting. And I do love their lip balm, so I was kind of like intrigued by the brand to test out their other products. So this is supposed to be a shower oil with a unique blend of oils that leave your skin squeaky clean and super soft. It's vegan, cruelty free, phthalate free, so all of that good stuff, and I'm really excited to try it. This bottle is really pretty, and Kopari is known for their classic coconut fragrance. Oh yeah, this smells like, it smells like coconut but kind of sweet and perfumey at the same time. It smells really nice actually. So this will be like a fun self-care kind of pampering product. Next up, I picked up the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. This is their lip balm that has, well, I think it's supposed to have the boom boom scent or fragrance, I'm not sure, but I just wanted this to complete my collection. Okay, it smells like caramel, pistachio, not so much boom boom, but it smells really delicious. It smells so sweet and nice. But this is like a huge lip balm. Like, look at the size of this. Really cute. Okay, so this, oh my god, this was such a headache to get during the sale, especially the full size. Like, I officially gave up and was just like, yeah, no, I guess I have to just buy the mini or maybe purchase it directly from the website, because Sephora, it keeps going in and out of stock. This is the Youth to the People adaptogen moisture cream. This is the mini size. Let me tell you something, this has ashwagandha and reishi peptides, by the way, but I had an allergic reaction to an antibiotic in January, and I had like rashes all over. I was swollen, my eyes, my face, everything was swollen. I had rashes like all across my chest and like my face as well, and every single skincare product in my collection just did not work for me. Like, nothing was giving me relief. I mean, I wasn't expecting my skincare to cure it or anything. It's just that I wanted something to just kind of calm down the rash on my face, and nothing that I was using, no oil, nothing was working. And this was the only one that I tried that actually saved my skin. And because this is mainly for a sensitive skin, it definitely did help to calm down the redness and the itchiness, the burning feeling that I was having. So I definitely don't want to be without this, just in case something like that happens. I do have one that I'm using right now, so this one will go in like my backup drawer, but I totally recommend this if you have sensitive skin. Next, I picked up the Play Bento Trio. This is from Kaja. This is a brand I've been interested in for quite a while, and when I saw these little like trio sets that they have, I was just like, yeah, I think I need one. So this is what the little bento set looks like. So when you open it up, it opens up to the blush, highlight, and a cream bronzer. The other two products are powders, but I just think this is so cool. Like, imagine having to travel with this. This will solve so much storage issues. But I've heard really good things about the product itself, so I'm genuinely excited to try them. Next up, I purchased the Tatcha Plump and Dewy Duo. This is the mini size of their Dewy skin cream as well as their rice cleansing wash. I love these two products so much. I didn't have the need to repurchase full sizes because the jars that I have currently are quite filled, so this is just like a top up just in case I run out before the next Sephora sale. So yes, I love this cleanser. It's a very hydrating and creamy cleanser with like slight exfoliation, very bare minimum, but it's so gentle. I love this so much. It does not dry out my skin at all, and you don't have to have like super dry skin to love this product. Even if you have oily skin, this is a really good one to use. And the Dewy skin cream, honestly, one of the best moisturizers on the market, no doubt about it. From Jouer, I picked up their soft focus and hydrating powder. Honestly, I realized during, well, this shopping haul that I actually do not own a lot of pressed powders, and that's because most of my foundations do dry down to a powder finish, so I don't really see the need for me to go on top with a powder. But because I'm using like more dewy and like luminous foundations, I definitely do need to set it, because let's face it, it will transfer. So that's why I decided to get some face powders. But look at this, how gorgeous. This is so pretty, and it's supposed to be like very full coverage and just give you like a flawless finish. And I got this shade Tan Bronze, so I'm really excited for this. It's gorgeous. I picked up another setting powder. This is from the brand Kosas. I have been seeing this powder everywhere, like all over YouTube, especially during the Sephora sale. So I was just like, yeah, I think I need to try this one as well. But look at this packaging. Look at the minimal packaging. I love this so much. And it doesn't come with a mirror. To be honest, I really don't care. I mean, for touch-ups, maybe I would like a mirror, but I always walk with a mirror in any event. But this is so pretty. Like, I just love how minimal this is. And this is supposed to, you can bake with it, you can also use it to smooth and set, even refresh your makeup. It's supposed to give you no shine at all, but not leave you looking completely matte and dry. So it's supposed to have, I guess, almost like a sheen type of effect on the skin. I don't know, we'll definitely test it, but I'm very excited for this. As I'm moving around things in the box, I realized I didn't show y'all like the sample and the rewards, and then got into the haul. I was just so excited to grab things out of the box, but I'll leave those for the end. The next product I'm seeing here is by the Inkey List. This is their retinol cream. So you know, we're going down in age, there's no doubt about it. And oh, this is tiny. Why is this so tiny? Look at this. This is not what I was expecting. I mean, it's 1 fluid ounce, so I don't know, I guess I expected it to be bigger because it's in a tube. I don't know why. But this is their retinol, which helps reduce the signs of aging. Y'all know I love my affordable skincare, so before I dive into like a really expensive retinol serum or cream, I say let me try the one from the Inkey List first, because it was super affordable. And this, I mean, I really have not looked at any reviews, but so far everything that I've used from the Inkey List has agreed with my skin, and I really like how the products perform. So hopefully this is like a gentle one and doesn't like mess up my skin or anything, because retinols are quite tricky. But I think with me using retinols like over time and building a tolerance level, I think I could handle it. So I'll definitely let you all know. As I always say, make sure you are following me on Instagram. Oh, by the way, your girl joined the Jouer on TikTok, so make sure you follow me. I'll have the link down below as well as somewhere on the screen. Join me on the TikTok because it is so fun. Honestly, I feel so ashamed that I hated on that app for like I don't know, about more than a year now. I have zero shame that I'm on the Jouer app, just enjoying life. It is so fun and fresh, and just let me stop because I could talk about TikTok forever. It's so good. Join it, follow me. You know when you buy something and you're just like, did I buy it? When did this happen? This is literally what is happening now to me with this product. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I swear a couple videos ago I said I don't like to buy expensive mascaras, and here I am trying this. So I don't know, I think the hype around this was just so real, and like the before and after pics so dramatic. I was just like, you know what, time to test this out, because I won't lie, as much as I don't like to spend a lot of money on mascara, the Anastasia one and the one from Lily Lashes are literally all I've been using for the last couple of months. I really do enjoy them, so I'm excited to try this one. This one does have a curl and length side, which is this side here, and it comes with a volume side, so it's like a dual-ended mascara type of vibe. Yeah, you know the drill. I'll test it. Maybe I'll use this one in the first impressions video and see if I even have to use lashes at all. Next up, I have the Farsali liquid glass serum. This is actually a investment for me because I do have the mini one and I really like how it mixed with my foundation to give me that dewy luminous finish. So I decided to invest in a full size because I really like how this product works. I haven't used it like on bare skin because I really don't want to waste it. I have so much other products in my collection I can use to give me, like, you know, a glowy hydrated look on bare skin. So I'm definitely saving this to mix in with my foundations. I really love doing that with my foundations right now. Now that I'm seeing this product, I remembered I was inspired by Hiram to purchase this product. Most of you know Skincare by Hiram, who is coming out with his own skincare brand. I am so genuinely excited, and I'm even more excited that it's launching at Sephora. So y'all know I will be testing that because I mean, Hiram is the skincare guru on YouTube. Like, he has taught me so much and so many of y'all as well. I know for a fact his skincare brand is just gonna lash, and I'm very excited for it. But this is the Q10 serum. This is to help combat environmental damage, and this is a antioxidant serum. So this protects against skin damage caused by environmental stresses. I believe he did like a whole favorites kit with the Inkey List, and I think it was available on their website, so I'm not sure if it's still there. You can check that out if you want to get like a bundle deal for products he loves from this brand. But I have most of those products already, so this was the only one that was missing. So I'm genuinely excited to try this one. This one you can use day and night. I have not purchased anything from The Ordinary in a long time, so I'm excited for this because this was I think this was maybe the second product I purchased from them that gave me like genuine results, and it's the one I always recommend to all of my clients, all of my friends. You need this granactive retinoid emulsion, but I believe this was out of stock for a while. I think that's why I had to like try to source things locally or just try things from other brands. And honestly, this is like the best if you have skin texture. This is your jam right here. This one, oh my god, I swear I had a bridal client and she came to me like 2 weeks before her wedding, and I know that was really crazy and she was very brave to do that, but she literally started using this 2 weeks before her wedding date. And on her wedding day, when I, you know, applied her makeup, I was so surprised with how much her skin texture had improved, because she did have a lot of texture. And she even told me, she was like, listen, this is magic, this works so good. And she's not like a skincare person, she doesn't know a lot about it, and she fell in love with it, and I hope that she's still using it. But I always recommend this if you have skin texture. This is amazing for that. It does help to like even it out, and also it's like retinoid, so it's gonna help like with anti-aging as well. So definitely check out this one now that it's back in stock. From Fenty, I picked up one more of their gloss bomb creams. This one is in the shade honeywaffles, which is like a nudie brown type of shade. And honestly, I said I wasn't gonna buy any more, but look at the shade. Can you blame me? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I have not tried the formula yet. Y'all know me was a hard month, so I'm really excited for this one. And the last 3 products I have here are all lip products. I went a little crazy because I realized I did not pick up anything like lip treatment or lip mask related in my first Sephora haul, so I definitely had to get some in this one. And this is by the brand In Beauty. They are new at Sephora, but they're not a new brand, but they are an indie brand. And I was actually introduced to this brand by my best friend because she gifted me one of their setting sprays, and honestly I fell in love with it. It's one that I reach for all of the time. It's so good, so I wanted to try more from them. This is their lip glaze oil. What is this exactly? Yeah, it just says it's a lip oil for softer, plump and supple lips. It's supposed to plump, hydrate and smooth. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's supposed to have a juicy candy flavor sweetened with stevia. Look at this color, really pretty. I love the packaging. It's such a fun and bright brand, you know when you look at a product and you just feel happy and excited to use it. This is how I feel when I see this. I also picked up this Smith's lip balm. This one is a tropical ambrosia balm with coconut and mango. Let me see if I can smell it. Oh yeah, it smells so tropical. Honestly, it smells like something from my childhood, like one of those like really cheap lip balms. It smells like that. I think this is basically like scented Vaseline if I'm not mistaken, so I don't know, but it was really cheap as well. And the last lip product is from Patrick. This is his lip sleeping mask. I really want to try more from this brand, but I don't know, I feel like a lot of the things look like misses to me, to be honest. It didn't really look, I mean, they look gorgeous online, but I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if it's a shade range or what that throws me off. I'm just like, yeah, this is a lot of money to, you know, spend and then just have it shipped and go through customs and all this headache to then get the wrong shade or it doesn't work properly. But you know, you can't go wrong with a lip mask. So this is the packaging. This is so gorgeous. This is like an experience, honestly. It's very chic, very beautiful. This is supposed to give you major glow and soften your lips. Oh, it smells kind of minty. Well, this is the cap that is supposed to like secure here. It got stuck in there, but it smells minty, honestly, like kind of sweet and minty at the same time. But this is really pretty, honest. That is it for the main part of the haul. Now for the samples, I got this Ouai shampoo and conditioner. So I'll probably give this to my mom because I don't know if this will be enough for my hair. Actually, my hair is short now. I keep forgetting that I have short hair, so this might actually be enough. So I'll try it and let y'all know. Ouai is definitely an expensive, more high-end brand, but honestly my Garnier working real good, I ain't gonna lie. And the other sample is from Tarte. This is their toner with a 10% acid complex. It said it's a tingling treatment, so I don't know, I'll see. And I have 4 rewards items in front of me. This one is by Urban Decay. You do get an eyeliner. This is a glide on eye pencil. It's a black one. I hear really good things about these eyeliners. I mean, I definitely love my LA Girl ones. They're so affordable and just as creamy. So I don't know, I'll try this. Next, I picked up the Korres yogurt cleanser. I actually bought this for my best friend. I figured she would more like, you know, be interested in this. This is a foaming cream cleanser. That's really all it says. Prebiotics. Yeah, that's really all it says. So Candace, this is for you, girl. I decided to grab another one of these Sunday Riley duos because I am obsessed with this brand now. Honestly, I did not want to add another like super expensive high-end. Actually, this is not high-end. This is like full-on luxury skincare brand, but I am genuinely like enjoying their products, especially their lactic acid treatments. It's one I swear by now. And I am also using the mini CE Glow oil, CEO Glow oil. Yeah, that's it. I really enjoy it. This one actually has their retinol sleep and night oil, so yes, I will start testing it from tonight actually, because you'll see some fine lines now, boy. And the last rewards item, this is a mini of the It Confidence in a cream. It Cosmetics, I don't know, it's just to me it's very expensive, and I know their CC cream is like a cult favorite and I do want to try it, but I've heard that the e.l.f. one is like a really great dupe, so I'm like, okay, if a dupe exists, why am I even gonna try this brand? So you know, I was kind of excited to find their skincare in the reward section. So this is supposed to be a transforming moisturizing super cream. It's a fancy moisturizer. And that completes this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. So make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this whole video, and comment down below if you are like, you know, excited for me to try these things, because I genuinely am excited to try these on camera with y'all. So make sure that you guys are subscribed if you are not already. And again, I just want to say a huge thank you for your kind words, your support, especially last month. You know, it was a difficult time, and I can't stress enough how much I appreciate every single one of you. You are all so sweet, and you know, be safe as always, and follow me on TikTok. Bye guys.